STEM, Austria World Bodypainting Festival. Dive into the colourful world of body art from Pörtschach, Austria, where you can transform into living canvas through a vibrant body painting experience. Then, unlock the wonders of chemistry with an intriguing experiment from Austria, using turmeric and baking soda to reveal invisible designs with a scientific flair.
There are no kangaroos in Austria. The population is almost 9 million and the official unit of currency is the euro. Hello, Black Eagle, you're the national creature.
Hello and welcome, it's Mark for Future, and today we're coming back to our own continent of Asia. C. China. I. India. M. Mongolia. Countries of Asia. T. Thailand. T. Taipei. T. Taiwan. Countries of Asia. J. Japan. K. Korea. S. Singapore. Countries of Asia. V. Vietnam. L. Laos. P. Philippines. Countries of Asia. C. Cambodia. B. Bangladesh. N. Nepal. Countries of Asia. G. Georgia. E. Egypt. A. Armenia. Countries of Asia. I. Israel. K. Kuwait. Q. Qatar. Countries of Asia. M. Maldives. B. Brunei. C. For Cyprus. Countries of Asia. Countries of Asia.
Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, let's go to Europe. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, let's go to Europe. D, 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 let's go to Denmark. D, 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 let's go to Denmark. E, 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 let's go to England. E, 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 let's go to England. F, 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 let's go to France. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, let's go to Europe. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, let's go to Europe.
Hello, it's Mark for Future, and today we're going to be singing about the countries of Europe. Russia, Ukraine, France, Sweden and Spain, Norway, Germany, Finland, Poland and Greece, Italy, the United Kingdom, Romania, Belarus and Hungary, Kazakhstan, Iceland, Portugal, Austria and Serbia, Ireland, the Czech Republic, Lithuania, Latvia and Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Slovakia, Estonia and Switzerland, Denmark, the Netherlands, Moldova, Albania and Belgium, North Macedonia, Turkey, Slovenia, Montenegro and Kosovo, Azerbaijan, Luxembourg.